This recording describes the plant and processes at Outo Kumpu Stainless, Shepcote Lane Works in Sheffield. Over the past 50 years, the plant has produced austenitic and ferritic stainless steels. A major investment programme in the 1970s includes most of the plant shown in this presentation. Coils are transferred from the slitting line by a 30-ton automatic guided coil transporter to the highly automated coil packing line. Coil information is transferred via the computerized production supervisory system into the packing line SCADA, which then controls the whole of the packing operation. Both the slit coil line and the heavy coil packing lines were installed in 2002 and can handle slit coils of up to 7.5 tons and edge trim coils of 15 tons maximum weight. Multi-slit coils are individually picked off the forearm capstan by a hydraulically operated turn-down gear and transported to the automatic radial banding machine. Once in position, the coils can be banded with either nylon or steel strapping that will secure the inner laps of the coil during further processing and transportation, to ensure the coils arrive at the customer in good condition. The slit coils, after palletizing, are transferred to the plastic film wrapper to apply a protective plastic film to ensure the steel arrives at the customer in perfect condition. As can be seen from the film, the complete packing operation is fully automated. Shrink-wrap coils are transferred to the automatic strapping machine, where coils are secured to the wooden pallets by steel strapping that is pre-tensioned, then spot welded. After wrapping, each pack is given a unique barcode label, which is applied by a 6-axis robotic arm. Edge trim coils are transferred to the heavy coil packing line and stored onto a forearm capstan ready for processing. The combined packing lines are capable of handling 30 packs per hour. Coils are removed from the forearm capstan by an underfloor coil jack and combined coil weighing facility and transferred to the coil palletizer. When the coil arrives at the palletizer station, an automatic gantry crane loads and positions the wooden pallet onto the machine, ready for the coil to be placed on it. Special turnover gear positions the pallet in the correct orientation, ready for the waiting coil to be placed onto the pallet. The coil is now ready to be transported to the next stage, where it will be banded onto the wooden pallet. Pre-tension steel strapping is automatically applied and spot welded to ensure the coil is securely attached to the pallet, ready for transportation to the customer.